Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to find indicators on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to find indicators on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. And with that being said, on this interface at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the watch list button, there is the charts option over here. Tap on the charts button over here and you land on this interface, which is the chart of your TradingView app. And in order to find your indicators, guys, first you need to know thing. Either you can find your current in use indicators, or you can find the indicators which you want to add on your chart on your TradingView. Now in order to find the current indicators which you are using, you can see this arrow icon over here. When I tap on that arrow icon, it displays two indicators which I'm using currently on my charts. You can see now this way you will be able to find the indicators which are currently in use in your charts. But if you want to add indicators, in order to find them, just tap on the three dotted icon at the bottom right corner of the screen where it says the analysis of over here, where I'm tapping. And when you tap on that three dotted icon at the bottom right corner, you can see this menu will appear where you can see there is the indicators option available for us. Tap on the indicators option, and over here you can see you can search for any indicator which you like. Let's for example say we want to add the MACD, and there are a lot of MACDs from different creators. You can just tap on the and you can just tap on the indicator whichever you want to add, and this way you will be able to find your indicators on the search section which you want to add on your chart, or the indicators which are already in use on your TradingView chart. And guys, this is how to find your indicators on your TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.